Did you know that unlike some other airdrops, where you farm for months without getting anything, some airdrops can actually pay you every single day? I mean, every single day you stand the chance of winning a particular amount of cryptocurrency and also real money as USDC as long as you complete the basic tasks in the farming game like social media following, playing mini games, and other basic tasks. Now remember that this still doesn't dispute the fact that the airdrop will still list in the crypto market and you will still be able to withdraw and cash out from your tokens. Every single day, there are advancements in the cryptocurrency world, and if you refuse to learn, you will be left behind. Now let's begin. Okay, straight and direct to the point. This is dg.pub app launcher. Yes, and if you don't know how I got here, kindly use the link showing on the screen right now. Once you click on the link, it's going to direct you to Telegram and you are going to land here. Now, the first thing is the amount of DGP here on the home screen, and this is dg.pub points, which will decide how much airdrop of the project's token you will earn later. The token will be released and listed soon. Everything we have to do is complete basic tasks, join these apps, and invite friends to earn DGP. One very good thing about this is that this DG.PUB has actually partnered with Apex Kong Airdrop. Apex, alongside dg.pub, is giving out 100,000 USDC. Okay, USDC is a stablecoin version of the US dollar. Okay, yes, 100,000 of it, and also 5 million DGPs. Okay, so now how do you earn every day? It is simple. Okay, it is very, very simple. Now what you have to do is what? Come here and click on this Apex Kong Airdrop. You access the campaign, click copy the ref link on the head of the campaign page and share it with your friends. You can share it directly via Telegram or X using these buttons. The important thing is when you successfully invite a friend to join the campaign through your ref link and complete the tasks, both you and your friend get extra lucky boxes. The more friends you invite, the more lucky boxes you get. And right now you can see that they've given out 13,085.9 USDC. You can see it. Look at this. Congratulations, you've received one box. And it is in this box that will stand a chance of winning up to 10 USDC. Okay, or 50,000 DGP. Okay, now you may want to know, how did I get this box? Let me show you real quick. Right now, you can see that right here, you can see I have a box. You might ask me, how did you get this? I got it by what? Completing every task here. You can see it 11/11 finished. Now, it's not hard. There is no hard task here. You can see play Kong, join this, verify Twitter or X account. Okay, if you make a post, it's just going to ask you, so like something like this. Now if you make a post, it might ask you to verify it. It is not hard. Okay, let me show you something real quick, because some of us may not be able to get that one. Okay, for example, this is my profile and I've done that. I've made a post that it told me to do. Look at my profile right here, and I made this post about DGP. You can see it, and it's asking me to verify. How do I verify this post? It is not hard. What you just have to do is come here and you click on this icon right here and you copy the link. Okay, you can see it. You can copy the link. Okay, so once you copy the link, you now come here. You can come and do what? Put it there that it asks you to verify the link, and you verify it. Okay, so once you've completed this task, you are going to what? Have this box. And what do I do now? Let me check my chance of getting. So I click on open box. You can see, and then is what? One box. You can also earn boxes by inviting friends. So now I click on what? Open box, and let us check. Wow, okay, you can see that my rewards is what? 500 DGP. Okay, now I can also, as I want 500 DGP here, there's also a chance of me winning up towards 10 USDC, which is what? An equivalent of $10. Okay, and I can withdraw. Okay, I can withdraw instantly. Okay, remember that when these guys list also, you can also be able to convert your DGP to real money. So let's go back now and let me see my total points and make sure that it has been added. I was here, so I come here, I click here, and I reload page. Okay, I think it has been added already. Okay, it has been added already. Yeah, so you can see right away. So what else do I do now? There are still a lot of other things you can do, okay? So for example, you can see all these things right here. Let me just take, for instance, I open this guy, Toss Game. You can say you can earn up to 250 DGP once you open it. So I don't want to make this video too long, so you can just perform all the simple tasks. There's also tasks here that you can perform in a day, and you can also be earning, okay? Every day you can also be earning, okay? For example, if I follow this guy, if I click here and I follow this guy on X, okay, let me follow. I follow them on X and I go back right away and I click on confirm. Confirming. Okay, you can see good job. Good job. Your tax is under review, so it's going to be added once it's confirmed. Okay, so basically this is just how you do, and you do what you earn. Okay, you earn on DGP. Okay, it is not hard at all. You can come here and refresh the page. Okay, if your balances are not showing well, you can actually come up here and you refresh. Okay, click here and you reload the page. Okay, so these are just simple things to do. Right from here too, also you can click on apps. When you click on apps, you will see lots of apps right here that you can play and discover. Okay, it's loading. You can see lots of apps, lots of airdrop tags, lots of airdrop apps that you can actually play and discover what is happening. Okay, and you can mine as much as possible. Okay, and you can also be earning as long as you sign up through these links. Okay, and from earn right here too, just like I said before, you can see a lot of things to do for you to earn. Okay, and from here rank, you can also see how you are ranking and how you are doing. You can see my 100 points has been added right here. Okay, so and from right here you can see your referral, where you can click and get your referral link. Copy your referral link and share to your friends and family so you can earn more boxes. Okay, and stand a chance of winning more money. Now there is something very important I want to show you before I end this video. Okay, there's something very important. When I come to this Apex, look at it right here, and I open Apex, you can see that it's asking me to connect wallet. Okay, you may be asking yourself, what kind of wallet will you connect? You can connect MetaMask or Trust wallets. Okay, yes, with the Ethereum network. So if you don't know MetaMask, I believe you should know it. MetaMask or Trust wallets. I have MetaMask, so let me open MetaMask right now. This is MetaMask loading up, and if it's your first time signing up on MetaMask, it will give you 12 words phrases. So save those 12 words very well, because you are definitely going to need them. You are going to be on the Ethereum mainnet network right here, and you do what? You copy your address. Okay, there's no much complications on MetaMask. It's a very simple platform to use. Okay, so I come here right now and then I paste my address, and Telegram pasted from MetaMask. So I click on updates. You can see it that my address has been added. Okay, successfully, and I can click on withdraw. Okay, and then my balance, you can see total balance reward. Okay, this is it. I can click on withdraw. Once I've luckily earned some USDC. Okay, let's say I continue playing this game every single day and I earn some USDC, I can actually withdraw from here right away, and it's going to enter my MetaMask. And then from my MetaMask, I can actually send out to maybe Bybit or whatever and use my money anyhow I want. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. Sign up and then enjoy this, because as you are farming, you also stand a chance of what? Winning every day, winning money every single day. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. If you gained any value in this one, do give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like 2 times and tell me why in the comment section. Kindly like, share and comment on my videos, and also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And with that being said, I will see you in my next video.